Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you about how to delete Windows file system from your external hard drive. This video is intended for technician or anyone who wants to get rid of any Windows file system without even formatting your external hard drive. For some of you may asking why I am making this tutorial. Well, in some case, there's situation for anybody who just want to take their old hard drive from broken computer and make it as external hard drive, but there are already important data in it. So because of that, they don't want to format the hard drive. And eventually they don't have any free space left because of Windows file system taking so much space on their external hard drive, and that's the problem. Well, I have solution for you. Make sure to follow this tutorial step by step properly, and don't skip this tutorial if you want to get rid of these Windows file system. Now, as you can see in my screen, I am trying to delete these folders, but it keeps saying try again, and it keep pop up and resisting even it's on external hard drive. It's kinda annoying since Windows operating system keep protecting its file systems even at other external sources. Well, this thing first. Make sure you right-click on Windows folders and hit Properties. And hit Security tab. Then click Advanced button right down in the corner. Under Current Ownership, click on Change to change the current ownership, which is Trusted Installer, with your current Windows user account. Then click Advanced button. Click Find Now. Here's the list of your Windows local users and groups management. Then select your current Windows user, which is Users, and make sure you pick Users under your computer name and then click OK. Here's I can show where you can find your computer name. Make sure you select Users under your PC name like Desktop or whatever the name of your PC is. Just so you know, if you select another user, you won't be able to delete these Windows system folder. Then click OK. Then hit OK again. Don't forget to check this box. Then click Apply. Then click Yes. The changing of current ownership process might take a while. That also depends on the how much size of your Windows folder's capacity. Once it's complete, close and reopen this box or Windows Advanced Security Properties again under the same folder directory. For this case is Windows folder. Navigate to your Windows folders directory and right-click on it. And hit Properties. Then hit Security tab. Then click Advanced. Now, as you can see, the current ownership of Windows folder has been replaced by Users, and it's under your PC name. Next, click on Enable Inheritance button. And don't forget to check this box. Then click Apply. Then click Yes. And please wait until this process is finished. Finally, all of these process has been done. After that, you'll be able to delete Windows system folders without any interruption. Next step is, I am about to delete this Windows folders. Just right-click on it and then click on Delete. Deleting this Windows folders might take a while. That also depends on your folder's capacity. But trust me, you will be there. Congratulations! Now you have successfully deleted the Windows folder. And don't forget to empty the recycle bin.